Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
This scholar is telling in Urdu language, but don't worry, I will translate it in English. Before telling the story, you are requested to subscribe the channel, like the video. The sustenance of every living being is the responsibility of Allah. One day, Ibn Abshaz Nahwi was sitting on the roof of the Jama Masjid in Egypt when a cat came to him while he was eating. A few other people were also there. They threw a piece of bread at him, he picked it up and disappeared. After a while, he came again. When they threw something else, he did the same. He kept coming and they kept throwing, and he would catch it, disappear, and come right back until people thought of the cat and knew that he could not eat so much food alone. When they suspected, they followed him and saw that he climbed the wall on the roof of the Jamia Masjid, then landed in a secluded place. There was another cat that was blind, and the food that he had brought was before him and he was eating. They were surprised at this. So Ibn Abish said, "If Allah subjugates this animal for this dumb animal, and he is giving it sustenance and has not deprived it of sustenance, then how can Allah deprive me of sustenance?" Request you again to subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to comment. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.